The ant anthem. Learning objectives. Enjoy the present, securing the future. 100 or 2, maybe 3, perhaps more. Parade all together on spring's meadow floor. They're carrying treasure, yet staying in line to bring home a treat so their mother can dine. A little one wonders, what will the queen say? Another one answers, hooray, grubby day! But most remain silent, too happy to talk. They're focused instead on their victory. Walk. Each step beats a rhythm of musical glee, the sound of the joy of the ants' jubilee. They're marching as if to the beating of drums, and all for one trump, discovering crumbs. Find meaning. Perhaps, maybe, meadow, a field of grass, treasure, a very valuable thing. Victory, triumph. Parade, march. Exercises. Answer the following questions. A. Where were the ants going? Answer. The ants were going to the spring meadow floor. B. What did the little one ask? Answer. The little one asked, what will the queen say? C. Why were ants marching? Answer. The ants were marching for discovering crumbs. Find their meanings. Crumby, slang for miserable. B. Victory, triumph. C. Glee, great delight. D. Jubilee, anniversary. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. As big as an elephant. B. As brave as a lion. C. As busy as a bee. D. As cunning as a fox. Take the right options. A. Ants were carrying 1. Treasure, 2. Diamonds, 3. Food. 3. Food. B. What were the ants focused on? 1. Food, 2. Queen, 3. Victory. 3. Victory. C. What the triumph for? 1. Discovering crumbs, 2. Discovering food, 3. Discovering home. 1. Discovering crumbs. Match the following. Column A. Triumph, jubilee, marching. Column B. Parading, anniversary, victory. Triumph, victory, jubilee, anniversary, marching, parading. Let's enjoy the poem. Use the color key to color the umbrella. 1. Red, 2. Green, 3. Black, 4. Yellow, 5. Pink, 6. Orange, 7. Purple, 8. Blue, 9. White, 10. Brown. Communication. Writing skills. Read the following sentences and write the verbs separately. 1. It is raining outside. Answer. Rain. 2. The bell is ringing. Answer. Ring. 3. The girls are sitting on the bench. Answer. Sit. 4. They will be having lunch at 2 o'clock. Answer. Have. 5. The ducks were swimming in the pond. Answer. Swim. 6. The teacher is teaching us maths. Answer. teach. 7. The train is arriving on time. Answer: arrive. Reading skills. Read the words in the box. Identify and circle the words related to the appropriate house. Cement, straw, mud, bricks, leaves, iron rods, bamboo, plastic sheets, clay logs. Listening and speaking skills. Put the story in order. 1. The grasshopper finds ant's house. 2. The grasshopper is singing under a tree. 3. The grasshopper says, "I'm sorry." Now they are friends. 4. The ant is collecting food. 5. The grasshopper asks ant for help. It wants some food. 6. It is winter. The grasshopper hasn't got food. It is starving.